You work hard, you make money, but it slips through your fingers before you can even think about budgeting. Look, you're not alone, but building a stable financial life doesn't have to be an uphill battle. And one of the biggest mistakes that most people make is waiting until the end of the month to save whatever cash is left over, and there's usually nothing left. So instead, you need to pay yourself first. This means that the second you get paid, you immediately move a piece of that money into savings, some type of savings before you pay rent, before you buy groceries, or before you even go out. You gotta think of every dollar as like saving a brick. Every single month you save, you're adding another brick to your financial wall that protects you from emergencies. And you do this by not relying on willpower. Set up an automatic transfer with your bank so a portion of your paycheck just goes straight into that savings the day you get paid. If you're new to this, start small, even 5% or 10%. It makes a big difference over time, and you have to treat it like a non-negotiable bill. And budgeting also gets a bad reputation. People think a budget is some type of like money prison sentence that stops you from having fun, and when in reality it's the exact opposite. A budget is not depriving yourself. It's actually about making better choices. It means you choose exactly where your money goes instead of wondering where it went. When you budget, you're just making sure your absolute needs, like your housing and electricity, are covered before you go blow your money on once. Just use a simple app or a notebook to track like what you spend from one month to another and be honest with yourself. When you actually build your budget, keep it realistic and give yourself a little bit of wiggle room for the unexpected things that happen and the occasional treats that you might have, but just don't burn out and quit. And once you have your spending under control, your savings are going to start growing. And then it's time to move from savings to investing. And saving is just pausing your money so it's ready when you need it. Investing is putting that money to work so it grows into something bigger. So when you invest into things like stocks or real estate, your money's going to grow over time. It's the ultimate way to build long-term wealth because your money is earning its own money. Now, the best strategy for me is just start early because time is your biggest superpower when it comes to investing. You have to remember that, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Don't let fear or panic dictate your choices. And do your research before you put your cash into anything. Now, financial peace of mind is not about luck or hitting the lottery. It's really about making small, smart, consistent choices. So just look at your income, calculate what maybe 10% of that is, and go log into your banking app and then set up the automatic transfer. That's going to be your first step to start building your foundation. So if you found this helpful in any way, hit that like button, subscribe, but more importantly, watch this whole video, send it out, and help me run them numbers up, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Catch you in the next one.